Hello everyone, Jason Harris here. Now I'm gonna give you a brief presentation on how to get your PHP set up through Map. Okay, as you see here, I got Map Pro, and if you want to check that out, all you have to do is go to www.mamp.info/in/index.html. And when you get to the page, you'll see two download areas, one for the free version and one for the professional version, in which I recommend the professional version because with the full sail course in web development and design, you'll be using Map pretty frequently. So it only costs like maybe $52, $53 for the license, and it's gonna be worth your while to go ahead and get that set up, and it's pretty reasonable. Okay. With that being said, though, let's see how I got. Let me show you how I got my configuration set up. Okay, with the professional version of Map, you can go through and you can name your own host. Okay, so I got my name Le Host. Okay, because that's gonna be kind of like going along with the theme of my application, and I thought it was pretty cool. Okay, so after you get that set up, you have to make sure your disk location is pointing towards your file that you're going to be working with. Okay, I got mine set up to go to map htdocs. I got a folder with my name slash going into the BDF folder for the repository under my name, and I got a folder called Enabler, which is going to be the title for my application that I'm going to be creating for the class. And I got it pointing towards the index.php file that I got set up already. Okay, after you get all that set up, you might want to go through and check out your INI file, which is going to be your PHP instructions. And to get to that, all you got to do is go to Applications, go under Map, look under the conf folder, which is short for configuration. Look for your latest version of PHP, which mine is 5.4.10, and then open up your INI file. Mine's gonna open up in Text Wrangler. Okay, then you just want to scroll down and there's gonna be a setting that you want to check for your error information. Okay, you just want to make sure that when it says error reporting, that says E_all. Okay, and you see these semicolons here in the beginning. That's a PHP comment. Okay, so you want to make sure there's no semicolon in front of error reporting, or it's just gonna be commented out. Okay, then you want to go down to line number 277 where it says display errors and make sure that's turned on. Okay, and those are two things that you want to go through and set up, because you want all your errors to be displayed. In case you make one, you can go through and fix it. Okay, but you have everything here in your INI files that you might want to go through and look through on your own time. You know, to see whether or not you need to add or take off something, for your application. Once you get everything that you want set up in your INI file, just go ahead and go to File, Save, and then you can go back, get out of it. And go ahead and open up my coding software, which I'm using Apptown Studio 3. It's a free software that you can use, and if you want to find out more information about that, all you gotta do is go to apptown.com/products/studio3, and you can read up on what all Apptown Studio has to offer. Okay, so now I got my file brought up, my coding software, and you can see I just got a basic HTML5 document, and inside the document I got the skeleton of what I want my application to look like. I got the links going for the home, about, features, and contact, and right here I got a div with class content. That's where I'm holding all my content for my site. And then I just got a paragraph, okay, in here. And right now it's just got the PHP information file, configuration file through the PHP info function that's available within PHP. Okay, and when you want to go and check it out, all you gotta do is go back up to your map, click the home button by the server name, and since I had the information PHP info function running, it brought up the information about PHP, my configurations and everything that I have going on with PHP right now. And this right here is just also letting you know that PHP is working, that you got everything set up properly. Okay, but you can also go through and just write anything you want. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just type hello from, and then inside the PHP tag I'm gonna put echo, and then quotation marks I'm gonna put PHP, so it's gonna read hello from PHP. I'm gonna end my PHP tag, and always end your statements with semicolon. Okay, so now that I got that, I'm gonna go through and save it, go back to the page and refresh, and you should see hello from PHP. Okay, so that's just to recap. So you want to make sure when you're setting up for PHP through map, okay, you want to make sure that you, first of all, you're under your host that you're going to be using, and then you want to make sure that your disk location is pointing towards your file. Okay, and you can do that easily by just going through and choosing your file location. Okay, which, like I said, mine's going to applications, map, htdocs, the folder under my name, and it's going to the BDF repository folder, and under my name there, J Harris. I got mine set up under MVC Read, and I made a little folder called Little Enabler. That's going to be the name of my application, and it's pointing towards my index PHP file. Okay, once you got all that set up, and you should be ready to go. Just open up your coding software, start typing, and creating your application. I hope this video's been useful to you. But that's the end of end of this presentation. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.